Hello students. So today's topic or the topic of this video is work breakdown structure and project organization. Now what is the need for this particular topic? That question will come into the mind. So next video we will be discussing about a project execution plan. In that we will be discussing about organization chart or what is a project organization, what is the organization plan. Work breakdown structure is a part of the project design, and along with that the project execution plan is also a part of project design. Now here I want to demonstrate you first what is a project organization chart. So by demonstrating that project organization chart you will get a better idea. See here, so I have a diagram for project organization chart. So if you look into this project organization chart, I know that many of you may be wondering the work breakdown structure is similar to the project organization chart. It is not like that. In detail or in brief or detail, whatever it is, I will discuss it in the next topic also. Here you see, usually one more heading you can take it here above this. Can have one more stakeholder, and one more person, that is a stakeholder. Can have a stakeholder here. And here you can have one more. He is a stakeholder above this project manager. I will name it as SH, stakeholder or owner, and he can guide the project manager to prepare it. See, in every organization the project management tasks are decided by the project manager, but stakeholder or a project manager, they can decide their team by their own. See here, this is the organization structure. Once the project is decided, the project manager or a stakeholder, they assign the engineering manager. So what the task they are doing, it is on the screen. I won't discuss it again. Correct. Then procurement manager, they can assign the procurement manager. See, based on the need of the project, these are decided, and in detail we will discuss it in that particular topic. Like that, project manager or a stakeholder, they can have their own organizational management, and that is defined it in the organizational plan. Correct. So it looks somewhat similar to the breakdown structure, but what is the difference we have to understand here? Actually, project organization, if you take, it represents both the project personnels inside and outside the agencies, that are going to work. If you look into this diagram here, so if you look into the diagram what we have seen, just a minute, I have to restart that page, sorry for this. So if you look into this diagram, yeah, here, this is a project organization chart. In that, these are the persons, that is the engineer, engineering manager, and all these persons, those will be working within the enterprise, such as this. Whereas these persons, say procurement manager, is dealing with the logistics, contracts. These are outside the organization. So both things will come into the picture when we go for project organization or organization chart. Okay. And as far as the work breakdown structure is there, it defines what work is to be done in a detailed manner, how the work is to be done, but we exclude the risk into that. Correct. We are not adding any risk into that. And to assign the responsibilities for a task to be done, the work breakdown structure has to be integrated with project organization structure. Yes, sometime in case you want to assign a responsibility for the task to be done, it is linked with the project organization structure will be linked with the work breakdown structure. The work can be also broken down using the functional oriented approach in both work breakdown structure and project organization structure. Actually, this is normally the approach used by the contractors for distribution work in-house, which is normally organized in the functional lines. So work breakdown structure or a project organization structures, these are usually defined by the contractor to distribution of the work. Okay, so this is regarding the work breakdown structure and project organization in the project management plan or design. Thank you for watching this video.